That slogan in the 70s. Meet a lot of nice people on the Honda. Screw that. You meet a lot of nice people on a Harley, damn it. Give me a second. Okay. Alright, out and about. Weather finally turned a little nice. Got Holly on the back. Anyway, we're at Cowboys and Angels. Nice day. Went to Cleveland. Met a nice guy we talked to for a while. And then up 129 like you're heading towards Blood Mountain. But then we went to Scenic Russell Richard Highway. Beautiful ride going up that road. Nice little twisty turnies. And then so here we are. Any table, honey, I don't care. Whichever, you pick. Okay, just walk in. Inside the bar, and we're gonna sit outside because it's actually nice out right now. Anyway, yeah. Everybody. Right, honey?
Yeah.
Alright, everybody, nice Wednesday.